Daddy? I can totally do this! Whoa! I'm standing! And that poppet is mine! It's beautiful! It's so close! Whoa!
Oh, honey! Don't worry. Look what I have. Stand still. This will keep you safe. No more bumps or bruises.
Wow! I'm unstoppable! And squishy! It feels so funny! It doesn't hurt!
Phew!
Again! I made it! Now I can get the poppet! Totally worth it! Here I come!
That's it, sweetie. Keep going.
Thanks, Mommy!
Ready for the show?
Hello, Mickey! Hi, Dolly! Oh no, a dinosaur! Wow, this is intense! Huh? Mommy, I did a stinky.
I can smell it from here. Oh, that's bad.
Oops.
We need to potty train you. It's what big girls do. Watch this.
Wow, the pressure!
Then you poop in the potty. It's that simple. Let's try it.
Now? Okay, let's do it! Woohoo! Look at my hat!
Oh, I should have seen that coming. No, you need to sit on it. Mickey, stop it.
Giddy up! This is weird.
Like this. Poop goes there. Don't eat it.
You're mean!
No, don't cry.
This is silly. I like my diapers.
Hang on. Give me that. How I put the diaper in the potty. You can still poop in the diaper.
Ooh, that sounds like a good deal.
Go ahead. It's working!
Don't watch. Whoa! I did it!
That's my girl! Well done! Ooh, that's a lot. Let's put this in the trash. Ooh, quickly!
I did it, Mommy.
Of course you did. Ooh, Mickey!
I need to go again.
No problem.
So embarrassing. I'll never live this down. I'm bored. Did you see that food?
Here you go, girls. Now be good.
So now what? They realize we're here, right? Hey, I want that! Gimme! Ooh, pretty! Ah! Mommy! Fine, I'll take it. Ah! This is your fault, Mommy! Ellie was mean! No, Mickey was mean!
Where are your pacifiers? Aha! I'll need to clean them. What would I do without these? Here you go, girls.
Wow! Oh.
And one for you, Mickey.
Blech.
Phew! Got them. This'll keep happening. Unless… I have an idea.
Huh? What is it?
I know how to stop the pacifiers falling. I'll tie the balloon ribbon to the pacifier.
Wow. So smart.
I just need to make sure the knot is tight.
Ooh. Wow.
That's better.
This is actually a fun party. Take that! Woohoo! I love balloons!
Happy birthday, girls!
Look at that cake! No way!
And there go the pacifiers. But that's okay.
They floated away!
Let's have some cake. I hope you like it. I'm so lucky.
Ooh, my pacifier. It tastes yummy.
Come on, let's do this! It's now or never! Give me a home run! Ugh, move, Mom! Woohoo! Nice! Sorry, speak up. There's too much noise. Mom, I'm watching the game! Ugh, she's so annoying! What are you doing? I'm kinda busy. You need to babysit. And here's the bottles. You're kidding me! I'm on my way. Mom? Come back! Thanks, Mom.
Sup? Guess it's just us.
You're so cute.
And you're a cutie too. Yeah, I know.
What's your problem?
Ah!
This isn't fun. What do I do?
La 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 la.
Stop crying, please. Seriously, stop! Ugh! Oh no! Phew! Gotcha. Oh, that's not a good idea.
Ah!
It's not that bad. How about some milk?
Ooh, yummy. Gimme.
This is harder than I thought.
Just a little closer.
Over here! I tried. Wait. That's just what I need. Hold on. I should have thought of this earlier. Come on. This looks good. Okay, I've got my hat. And I've got my milk. Let's do this.
Nice.
Drink up. This is too easy. I hope they go to sleep soon. I need a rest.
Time for sweet dreams.
Aw, just look at them. You did a great job. And you can do it again. Oh, you're just adorable. Thanks. Wait. You were talking about the baby. Goo. Hold on. I've got a message. Oh my. A sale? Thank you. Gotta go. Here you go. But, what's happening? Mommy is about to max out the credit card. Have fun! Looks like it's just me and you, kid.
Cool.
Aw, you've got my eyes.
You're fun.
La la la.
Classic.
Roar!
Whoa. Ah.
I maybe got carried away. Oh, how about some milk? That might help.
No, I don't want it.
Great. What do I do now? Hang on. I have an idea. I need these scissors. I'll make a cut in my top, then place the bottle through it. Let's try this again.
That's good milk.
What a day! Huh? That is the sweetest thing! Shh! You'll wake him. Here, go spend some more money. Oh, you're the best husband. I'll leave you to it. Aw, would you look at that. Having a baby is rewarding, but it also comes with its own unique challenges. Hopefully these hacks help those new parents out there. What was your favorite? Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.